Here we are in a Sunday in Chiang Mai, and one of our favourite places to come is the Fern Forest Cafe. And just take you inside. Here we are, Sunday brunch time. Great place to come, and it's got wonderful jazz music. Lovely setting, as you can see. Ferns in the trees with the sprays coming through, keeping it really cool and gentle. We've got a jazz band on today, which is fantastic. So lots of different eating areas. You can sit more casually, full a la carte, or a buffet menu if you wish. And it's set in this wonderful colonial Thai old-style building. As you can see, it's a wonderful backdrop to come. It's one of our favourite places to come on a Sunday. We're coming for Sunday brunch. We're going to have, we'll see later on, you're going to get the smoothies and the smoothie bowls. I'll show you that in a few moments, but I'm just going to take you through inside, through the restaurant. One of the lovely things I really love about this place is the fish pond. Lovely sprays. They're obviously having a lot of fun, seem to be well fed. Here we are, going into the inside air conditioned area. Beautiful English tea room style. Enjoying wonderful cakes to be able to order. And you can see just there some of the sampling coming through of some of the beautiful smoothies and all these gorgeous plates being prepared. The server's taking those out for the lovely delights. It's got a lovely casual feel, people just coming in enjoying their Sunday brunch. Piano for those that want to enjoy the music. As you can see, it's a lovely kind of old English style setting, and this, for those that like the air conditioning, is a wonderful environment to come into. Beautiful place to come, get dressed up and enjoy the time. And there's another little location upstairs which we'll just have a quick sneak in. This is the upstairs area, which is more family room. It overlooks out onto the garden area, and it's an old colonial house which has been re-established by the current owners and converted into this restaurant and cafe area. And it overlooks, from here you've got the balconies which then overlook into the restaurant area. Just peek through here, look downstairs into that wonderful area. As you can see, it's really very popular with local Thais and also tourists as well. So finally coming through, full barista coffee here. You can like full complement of teas, and once again just extending now outside into the fresh air, cool down, the beautiful sprays in the fern trees, lovely music being played on this wonderful Sunday. Nothing better than Chiang Mai on a Sunday, enjoying the peace and quiet, everyone enjoying the music. And there we are at Fern Forest Cafe, Chiang Mai. Hi guys, I'm just going to open up the menu for you. As you can see, you can have all day breakfast. And I think, Janie, what did we order today? We ordered the pancakes with seasonal fruits. So we've ordered the pancakes and muesli. So we've ordered the pancakes and muesli. And if you're into the cooked meal, you can do. Appetizers and soups. Sandwiches and pasta. Your classic Thai dishes, of course, for the vegetarian and vegans amongst you. Coffee, of course, and what we really enjoy, this is what we're going to enjoy, the smoothies. Which ones will we order today?
Sweet berry and tropical paradise.
So Jenny's ordered sweet berry and tropical paradise. Wonderful.
We have our tropical paradise smoothie.
Oh.
And we have our sweet berry smoothie. And
wow.
We have our muesli arriving. Granola, fresh fruits, and we have yogurt as well.
Wow.
That's just for starters.
That's just for starters, is it?
Just for starters.
Okay, you're just going to hang fire till we get the next pancakes.
Yep.
So that's it. Part of our favourites at the Fern Forest Cafe, guys, here in Chiang Mai. Just stand by till we get the rest. So, Janie, what do we got here?
So we have our pancakes.
Okay, we've got our pancakes. Beautiful. Yep, fresh fruit.
And passion fruit and some cream. And we have our granola and the nuts and fresh fruit.
Granola, nuts and fresh fruit. And what's the
tropical paradise.
Tropical
smoothie.
paradise smoothie.
And we have a fresh berry.
Beautiful. And what have I got here?
You've got maple.
Maple syrup. Okay, beautiful. Okay, to enjoy. And here we are at the Fern Forest Cafe. Let's enjoy this.